What a bright day! I wish I could meet a friend who would tell me a story. Boo!
Salam, duck. How are you?
Salam, rabbit. What a beautiful morning, isn't it?
Wa alaikum salam, duck. Yes, it's a perfect day to tell you a very special story.
Boo! I love stories. What is it about?
It's about Prophet Ishaq, the son of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon them.
I remember Prophet Ibrahim. Wasn't he the one who built the Kaaba and loved Allah so much?
Well, Prophet Ishaq was a gift from Allah when Ibrahim and his wife Sarah were very old. They didn't think they could ever have children, but Allah can do anything.
Subhanallah, that must have made them so happy.
Yes, they were full of joy and thanked Allah with grateful hearts. Ishaq grew up to be kind, wise, and full of faith. He followed in his father's footsteps, teaching people to worship only Allah and be good to others. He was just like his father. He was a prophet, spreading the message of peace, truth, and obedience to Allah. His life was calm and full of wisdom.
What a peaceful prophet. Did he have children too?
Yes, one of his sons was Yaqub, who also became a prophet. So you see, the light of goodness kept going from Ibrahim to Ishaq, then to Yaqub, and on and on. And you know what? We can be part of that chain too, by doing good, learning about Allah, and being kind just like the prophets.
I want to be part of that chain, rabbit. I will be kind to everyone and remember Allah every day.
That's the spirit. We may be small, but even a little duck and a little rabbit can spread a big light.
The duck and the rabbit were full of peace and shining with positive energy, ready to share the beautiful story of Ishaq, peace be upon him, with the whole world.